Welcome to this instructional video on the Modality Principle. Today I'm going to explain what the Modality Principle is, why it matters in instructional design, and how you can use it to improve learning outcomes. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to apply this principle in real training situations. Think about the last time you watched a tutorial overloaded with text while showing images at the same time. It probably felt frustrating or overwhelming. Well, that experience highlights the problem that the Modality Principle solves. Think about your own experience, like with YouTube tutorials or online training. Most people find it easier to process lessons where visuals are paired with spoken explanations instead of blocks of text. This familiar experience sets up the principle. Well, what is the Modality Principle? The Modality Principle is that learners understand better when visuals are paired with spoken narration, not written text. When things like diagrams and animations are paired with spoken narration instead of written text, it forces both reading and viewing to compete with visual channel. How the brain processes information. Our brains have two channels for processing information, a visual channel and an auditory channel. When you put text and images together, both demand the visual channel. That causes overload. But when visuals are paired with narration and learning, the learning load is divided efficiently across both channels. Why narration beats text? Well, using narration instead of text reduces visual overload, improves comprehension, and helps information transfer to long-term memory. Narration frees the learners to focus fully on the visual being explained. These are practical guidelines. Whenever you're presenting complex visuals, choose narration instead of large text blocks. Text should be limited, short labels, simple titles, or keywords, not full lessons. Nobody wants to see that. Here's a quick question. Which design is more effective? A complex weather map with written paragraphs explaining each symbol, or a complex weather map with spoken narration through each symbol? For me, the easy answer is B. When you're looking at something, you want somebody to speak it to you through words. You don't want to be reading a paragraph and it's not the same, and I think we all know that. How to apply this? Well, the most effective ways would be to replace text blocks with narration, keep visuals clean and simple, use labels sparingly, guide attention verbally, and don't make learners read plus watch simultaneously. And thank you guys for watching. The Modality Principle helps learners focus, reduces overload, and improves understanding. Using narration with visuals whenever possible for the most effective instruction. Thank you all for watching, and always remember, visuals plus spoken words equals the best learning.